You little butt cheek. Alright, my Ninja Kitties, I'm about to be testing out this Geek Vape. This is the Legend kit. I was not expecting it to be this high quality. Tell you the truth, this bad bitch is feeling fucking robust. So I'm like, Thus far, I'm actually pretty impressed with the mesh. I'm not a fan of mesh with my menthol, and of course I put my menthol in there. I wish I wouldn't have, but I did. Kinda is what it is. But I've got 2 more mods in my backpack. We're about to go hiking. I'm excited to check it out. Okay, smell the truckers. Now we are in the midst of the hike. And right now I can tell you guys, after some time using the tank, I'm not that impressed by the tank. I like the mod so much more. I've dropped it a couple times, no worries, because it's all made out of rubber. Look at this stitching. Okay, smell the truckers. Back to the hike. I've separated from my children and the missus, and they went up some Sasquatch trail, and I'm not about to get eaten by a Sasquatch. So I'm gonna go ahead and weigh in on this mod. Thus far, this device has been pretty fucking badass. The only downside I've noticed is I'm just not a fan of mesh tanks. I'm just not of mesh coils. But then this button right here, in the sun you can see better in particular, it's that little point. It works perfect if you use a device like this, but it's not that great if you use a device like this. And if you use it this way, it kind of pokes out and prods. It's not a big deal. But this one here feels nice like that. The profile of the tank looks beautiful. I fucking love the way it feels. The problem is that you guys know me and I much prefer a much airier draw for airflow. You little butt cheek. Yeah, what? Where are you? I can't see you. Can you see me? Did you find steps? These boots were made for walking. Marco, I found you. Ah, there you are. Yeah, so what were we getting at? So it's asthmatic. The tank itself is asthmatic, and I'm just not a fan of asthmatic tanks. You guys know this. Definitely decent. I'm digging the fuck out this this weird leather pleather. That red stitch goes hard. I like the way it looks. Man, P.S. Any of my cats out there that got children, you guys know what it's like. I'm rocking this backpack that's got another backpack in it, that's got this backpack with another backpack in it. So, of course, we come with 4 backpacks because there's 4 people, and I end up carrying everybody's shit up a mountain, down a mountain. That's fine, I still won, and I'm just fine. Okay, mother truckers. Now, with that being said, this bad bitch has been phenomenal. The tank, not so much, but the actual mod itself is the Geek Vape Aegis, A-E-G-I-S. I'll finish up the review in the studio. Y'all can watch there, all right? Think about how much more better for the environment vaping is comparative to cigarettes. But the fact that I'm not lighting up a fucking cigarette and then throwing nasty ass cigarette butts on the ground, how gross is that shit? I should probably hold my phone a little bit further out, huh? P.S. I'm recording on my iPhone. I know it's not the world's greatest quality at the moment, but the GoPro quality is garbage, I think. I'd like to pick up the new GoPro, but I think I'm gonna wait till the next generation. Now we're officially going back to the Look at Elephant track. For this footage, whoops.